Kirsten here, and today I'm doing a scammer or jammer video. And I'm going to see if this person is a jammer or scammer, because if they accept your trade, you get the headdress. If they decline, then you're not good enough. Dang it. I'm not trading my black long or my beta tail because this might be the trade glitch, and I don't feel like getting scammed today. So I'm just trying to do a little bit more bad stuff. Or so far was traded by two. To who? OMG, noise. I know I have puppy wins net. Dang it. Please trade me back. Oh gosh. Huh. I feel so bad for Puppy. OMG, Puppy. I feel so bad. So bad. Puppy, are you okay? This is my friend's account. Oh no, what is my, oh gosh. Oh my gosh. This is my friend's account, who is Puppy. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Oh wow. I'm legit crying. Puppy just lost yellow, long, and alpha armor. He scammed my items. See, is he still my bunny? No. Good thing I wrote down his username. Let's check. Identicalfirm1. Identicalfirm1. Make sure you guys all report this dude right here, Identicalfirm. I'm gonna try to buddy him. I feel so bad. I'm gonna tell him to come to my den, please. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I didn't trade my black long, because if he accepted, I would have declined. So, Puppy, you should have just done so long. I have a user. It's Identicalfirm1. Oh, everybody go report Identicalfirm1 for scamming puppies, puppy dog 603's yellow long and her alpha armor. I need you guys to go report her. I hope you guys make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, because I need some more subscribers, and you guys that are subscribed to me are the best. I swear you are, and you guys mean the world to me. So, I'll see you later, Jam Fam. Oh wait, why did I say Jam Fam? See you later, my peeps, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I'm doing hand motions in real life and like blah blah blah. Okay, so I need you guys to like, subscribe, comment, and goodbye, my peeps. Yeah. Make sure you report Identicalfirm1, and please send donations to Puppy Dog 306, Puppy Dog 603. Thank you guys. Now, goodbye, my peeps. Wait, before I leave, Identicalfirm1, yeah. Kitty out. I want to trade for your headdress. Is it on trade? Put your headdress on trade. I'm just going to buddy her. So, once and for all, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I will make a video if this person, another video if this person's trades me their headdress. So, Goodbye, my peeps. Have a nice day. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Goodbye.